Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back to Tracy's Florida Homestead here in beautiful Zolfo Springs, Florida. Today is September 9th. I lose my days, I'm telling you. And what I'm going to show you today is our ICBs becoming our horticulture system for our gardening. And so today we went and picked up some soil. I think you saw my earlier video if you have. And if you haven't, I want to show you what we did. We took an ICB. These hold water, chemicals, whatever. I chose one that held water. I would prefer not to have one if you're going to grow vegetables in them that had chemicals in it. So this used to be one whole piece. So the two pieces used to be one piece. And what we did was just cut it in half. And they make excellent raised beds. Considering the bottom already had feet, I didn't have to put it on blocks. So as you can tell, there's the feet. But the top had to be put on blocks. Sorry about that. That's my Polish over there. He thinks he's boss. I call him Mean Monster because he's bit me 3 times. But the top half, as you can tell, didn't have feet, so we had to put it on blocks. As soon as I get the weed eater out of storage, I'll come and clean all this up. So today we went to Avon Park. Shout out to AP, folks. To pick up some soil, and we got it from, I think it was called Braxton Soil and Stone off of Lake Isis Drive. And Lake Isis is still as beautiful as it was when I was young. I mean, I didn't go get in it because of the storm coming, but oh, it was still beautiful. It's a completely spring-fed lake, and it's cold all year round. So this is the soil we picked up, and this is considered a potting mix. And I'm going to try to get you a close-up look at it. My camera does good, but it's in storage too, considering we're still moving stuff. So here you see the soil. It's got the compost. It's got everything in it. And this is going to be the nice light soil that I need and I want to go in my horticulture, because we're going to be building the soil as we go along. We're going to add compost, we're going to add manures, we're going to add food waste, eggshells, stuff like that to make a soil real rich. So what we're going to do is take this soil, and we're going to, let me explain here. This is our horticulture. So what you do is you start with I've got landscaping material across the bottom here, if you can see it, to plug up any holes and to keep the soil from draining out. And then you half fill it with any kind of yard waste that you have. Preferably anything that's not seeding, because then you'll get weeds up in your yard, in your bed. Then you just let it dry out a little bit, rot. And then what you're going to do is you're going to come in here and fill this up almost all the way to the top till about right here. Okay? Because you're going to want to leave room to start adding compost and stuff like that. And then I have got some fertilizers I'm going to show you that a gentleman out of Oklahoma off of YouTube showed me. He says it makes soil like this 100 times better right off the bat, because we're not actually going to plant in here for 2 weeks. You should always prepare your soil 2 weeks before you plant. This one is just a hair bit deeper, so we'll have to add a little bit more to this one. And as you can tell, we put the pond fronds in here and just anything to fill it up. I've also got some more over there to put in it. And the others, when they get here, I've got 2 more ICBs coming. And see my lemon tree. I planted this, I think I told you, about 8 years ago. And it was so little, and the grass got so tall, I thought it died. Well, when we moved out here, I dug it up and it ain't dead. I got lemons everywhere. Look at them pretty lemons. Lemons everywhere. Lemons everywhere. But I'm glad she made it, because I do love my Myers lemon. Now, she shouldn't get too much bigger than this. She's supposed to be a dwarf. She should not get too much bigger than this. So this is the beds before I get them filled. And then when I'm done, because this is going to take a little time, I'll give you another show of this, what it looks like when that one isn't done. So I hope y'all come back, check us out. And if you like what you see, please hit the like button, hit the share, let everybody know about it. From Tracy's Florida Homestead in bright sunny Florida. Have a good day.